Learn how to install OpenClaw on a Mac efficiently. Understanding the installation process is crucial for ensuring compatibility and functionality of OpenClaw on Mac OS.
Welcome to our guide on installing OpenClaw on your Mac. Did you know that OpenClaw is one of the most powerful tools for developers? It offers unmatched features that enhance your development experience on Mac OS. In this video, we'll walk you through the installation process step by step, ensuring you avoid common pitfalls and achieve a successful setup. By the end, you'll be well equipped to harness the full potential of OpenClaw on your Mac. So, let's dive right in and get started. Before we begin the installation, it's crucial to ensure your Mac meets the necessary system requirements for OpenClaw. First, your Mac OS version should be at least 10.13 or higher. This ensures compatibility with OpenClaw's latest features. Hardware-wise, a minimum of 8GB RAM is recommended for smooth operation, though 16GB is ideal. Ensure you have at least 500 MB of free disk space for the installation files. Additionally, you'll need a stable internet connection to download the necessary software and updates. Lastly, verify that your system supports the required dependencies, which we'll cover in the next section. Taking these steps will help prevent installation issues and ensure optimal performance. Now that we've covered the prerequisites, it's time to download the OpenClaw software. Head over to the official OpenClaw website, where you'll find the latest version available for download. Make sure to select the version compatible with your Mac OS. Click the download button, and the installation file will begin downloading to your system. It's essential to verify the file's integrity to ensure it's not corrupted or tampered with. You can do this by checking the file's checksum, usually provided on the download page. Additionally, take a moment to read through the licensing terms, so you understand the usage rights and limitations associated with OpenClaw. With the OpenClaw software downloaded, the next step involves setting up necessary dependencies. We'll be using Homebrew, a popular package manager for Mac OS, to simplify this process. Open your terminal and enter the command to install Homebrew if it's not already installed. Once installed, update your system packages to ensure you have the latest versions. Next, install the required libraries that OpenClaw depends on. These might include specific versions of Python or other programming language packages. It's crucial to configure your environment variables correctly, as this ensures OpenClaw can locate these dependencies. Lastly, verify the versions of each dependency to ensure compatibility with OpenClaw. To ensure OpenClaw runs smoothly, we'll need to tweak some system settings on your Mac. Start by enabling the necessary permissions for the OpenClaw application. This might involve granting access to certain system resources or directories. Next, adjust your Mac's security settings to allow the installation of applications from verified developers. It's also helpful to configure your system preferences to optimize performance, such as adjusting energy settings to prevent your Mac from sleeping during long processes. Once these settings are adjusted, run a quick compatibility test to ensure everything is in order. These steps will help prevent potential conflicts and ensure a seamless installation experience.
With your system prepared, we're ready to run the initial OpenClaw installation. Locate the downloaded installation file and double-click to launch the installer. The installation wizard will guide you through the necessary steps. Pay close attention to each prompt, as there may be options to customize the installation to better suit your needs. As the installation progresses, monitor it closely to ensure there are no errors or interruptions. Once complete, the installer will confirm a successful installation. It's a good idea to note any additional instructions provided by the wizard, as these may include important post-installation tasks or configuration tips. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, issues can arise during or after installation. Let's address some common Mac-specific problems you might encounter. First, be aware of common error messages related to permissions or missing dependencies. If you encounter a permissions issue, double-check the settings we configured earlier. For dependency errors, ensure all required libraries are installed and up to date. Performance problems could be linked to insufficient resources or incorrect system settings, so review your configuration if you experience any lag. Finally, don't hesitate to reach out to OpenClaw's support resources, such as forums or help documentation, for additional guidance. These troubleshooting steps will help you quickly resolve any issues and ensure a stable OpenClaw setup.
After completing the installation, it's time to verify that everything is working correctly. Start by launching the OpenClaw application. You should be greeted with a welcome message or splash screen, indicating the software has loaded successfully. Next, test some basic functionality to ensure all features are operational. This might include running a simple script or accessing the main interface. Verify the version of OpenClaw installed and check for any available updates to keep your software current. Lastly, confirm that OpenClaw is fully integrated with your system, such as ensuring it recognizes and interacts with your files and directories as expected. These checks will give you confidence that your installation was successful and ready for use.
With OpenClaw installed, let's explore some of its basic features on your Mac. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the user interface. Navigate through the menus and toolbars to get a sense of the available tools and functions. OpenClaw offers a range of features designed to streamline your workflow, such as code editors, version control integration, and debugging tools. Customize the settings to suit your preferences, including themes, shortcuts, and language support. If you ever need assistance, OpenClaw has built-in help and support resources accessible through the interface. As you become more comfortable, take time to explore some of the advanced features, which can further enhance your development capabilities. Whether you're a novice or experienced user, OpenClaw has something to offer everyone. Congratulations on successfully installing OpenClaw on your Mac. To recap, we've covered the essential steps from verifying system requirements to exploring basic features. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now comfortable navigating the OpenClaw environment. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different features. We value your feedback, so please leave a comment sharing your experience or any challenges you encountered. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and sharing it with others. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve deeper into advanced OpenClaw functionalities. Until then, happy coding!